what's going on? I am back. Yes, I am back and I'm ready to do my fitness. Yay! So this is day 17, I believe, day 17 of my fitness journey. Yesterday, I had a nice break, so I did no fitness yesterday, and today I'm gonna jump into it. And yes, I'm doing it from at home. Tomorrow I'm gonna be back in the fitness studio. But however, yeah, I'm gonna do another Tae Bo video. So hang on, I'm gonna search for a Tae Bo video. Okay, so I'm gonna do old style. Let's see if I can hang and do it. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna do for another angle 1 second. Okay guys, I'm disappointed. I just did a really nice workout and I thought you guys were with me, and I noticed, uh-oh, I didn't tape a thing. Oh gosh, or not tape, I didn't record a thing. Nothing got recorded, only the beginning part. However, I did my workout and I'm feeling good. Yes, I'm sweaty. So now I'm going to have my little power snack. Guys, come with me so I can show you what I eat after I work out.